Hi, this is Esther from Ravi Star Jewelry. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I haven't done a tutorial in a while, so I decided I was going to treat everybody to a series of Valentine's Day themed tutorials, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get started if you want to make your own fashion jewelry. So this is video number 1. You're gonna love this because it's super easy and pretty much anyone can do this. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you very quickly how to make pendant necklaces using a charm and a jump ring. And so the charm that I'm using is this really cute cat with some little hearts everywhere. And I thought it was really cute that even the loop here has a heart as well. And so where do you get charms like these? These charms come in the form of motifs like flowers, sun, stars, animals, even, cars. I've seen some that are like with wrenches. And so even with wrenches. And so the most important thing is to make sure that your charm has a loop that the jump ring can go through. So all you really need is the charm, a jump loop, and the necklace of your choice. And so all you have to do, these are 8mm gold tone jump rings that my bestie Lauren at Charming Resin gave me. And these are 8mm, and these are called open jump rings because they do open, and that's what you're gonna need to create this charm. Now, if you find that the metal is difficult to open, unlike this one, you would need to use at least one set of pliers to get it open, if not 2 sets of pliers, one for each hand. But if you're getting these, which are like moldable wire, all you have to do is push up or down to get it to open. And then all you have to do is you go ahead and take that open jump ring, you put the charm through, and then you close the jump ring. The most important thing is to make sure that the jump ring is fully closed, not clothed, but fully closed, so that the cord, it doesn't fall off the cord. So if you have this situation, again, all you would do is push down or use a set of pliers to push. For now, we're good though, because this cord is pretty thick. And so what I would do off camera is just push that in a little bit. And then, there you go. That's how you make a charm necklace with a pendant of your own making. And these are great especially for like holidays. For example, Valentine's Day, you can get a bunch of heart charms. If you know someone has like a pet, you can always get cats or dogs. Birthday, they even have some that are like balloons. There is an endless pool of charms that you can use to make pendant necklaces like this, and I get mine at Temu. You can also get them at Amazon, Michael's, Shane, and so the possibilities are pretty endless with these, and they're super easy to make. I imagine anybody that is like maybe 12 and up can do these, maybe even a little bit younger if they're mature. And that's it. This is literally how you make an adorable charm pendant necklace. Super easy, basic 101. And this one's Valentine's theme. See the little hearts on the cat? That's literally all you have to do to create a charm pendant necklaces. And like I said, they're great for holidays. They're great for gifting, party favors. So there's a wide net of opportunities in which making these, whether it's selling them or giving them as gifts, would be a lot of fun. And that concludes my really quick basic 101 how to make a charm pendant necklace. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And if you enjoy tutorials like these, you can go ahead and check me out at Ravi Star Jewelry on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.